Well, hello. You didn't expect to see me here already, but welcome to a reverse mail call. Run an intro and we'll talk about it. So, welcome to Blue Bite Noise Channel with a mail call, reverse mail call. This time, the king is sending mail out. It says, see, it says farm the king. Yeah, it says the king to the legend. So I'm gonna pass it off to the transport rider, Don, and he's gonna go deliver it. So stay tuned as we run a intro. Yeah, we'll see you when we get there. What is this? It says, this is your mission to go to Blue Ridge, Georgia at these coordinates and meet the legend and hand them this package. This letter will self-destruct in 30 seconds. Okay, and then call this number when you get to the location programmed in the GPS. Well, look like we got a mission. Impossible. Okay, well, it's not going to fit in the luggage rack. Not going to fit in the side bag, so I guess we'll just strap it on here. Oh, shit, that's getting hot. So, we'll just strap it. I swear, I can't hold on the nut. So we'll just strap it to the luggage rack. That's what it's for, right? And we want to secretly do it because we don't want nobody knowing it's for the king. I mean, for the legend of Blue Ridge, Georgia. Is that gonna hold it? That might need longer. All right, we got that one done. Let's see if we can do this one. Oh yeah. Huh. Wee woo. Wee woo, wee woo. Four don't hold it. Five never would. We'll see you when we get to Blue Ridge. Well. What does you say? We on our impossible mission to find a legend for a special delivery. Oh me. So yeah, it says it's 56 degrees this morning, but September the 8th. guess that's gonna play. I don't know. What was I saying? We'll see you when we get there. So my mission to find the legend of Blue Ridge and give them a package. I'm looking for a legend. So we chasing this legend down. I don't know why this thing does that. It says file corrupted or something. We've storing file. Oh look, dragons. Huh. Instead of squirrels, oh look, dragons. Oh man, a good move. So we're riding over here to the Blue Ridge Dam, as I was fixing to say. I guess that's where Georgia Hillbilly works. He said he would go right past it. Oh look, a helicopter, a Huey. Get in the chopper if you want to laugh. Come with me. Get in the chopper. Alright, here's the dam. What dam? This spillway right here. Dam's on up here. Spillway. They said this is he said it was one of the largest earth dam. But they gotta have where the power is right in here, speedway. There's the dam down that way. Oh, here's the pull off. I don't know what. Hope nothing coming. Alright. Well, my mission is over with. This is from the king to the legend, and he ain't coming over here right now. Hope you can hear me. So, you want to see what it is, you're going to have to go over to Tbone, Rolling with Tbone's channel. Can you even see yourself? So,
yeah, I'm in there.
So,
what's going on, guys?
So now you got to go over to his channel and see what he's going to do. So, yeah. I guess I could have closed it out back there, but you want to go see what it got them? You probably know what it got. What's a big old boat down there? Gonna have to get me a new SIM card, I guess. But anyway, go check out that video there. Look at that thing. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and this is a fun road. I'm gonna put my hands on the handlebar. We'll see you later.